Good evening, all. My name is H. Asma Kausar. My roll number is 234018028. I am from Triple A section. My subject name is Engineering Chemistry. My topic name is Free Ionic Mechanism of PVC. In PVC, the world most thermoplastic with a wide range of applications than any other plastics. It plays an important role in every field such as agriculture, electrical, irrigation, house, etc. Chloride was first synthesized and reported by the Raghwait. The first reporter was the bromide was published by Hoffman in 1860. The full-scale commercial production of PVC began in Germany. In India, the manufacturing of PVC began in 1961. Was started it planned in Mumbai. Commercial method. Chloride monomer is prepared by cracking 1 by 2 dichloride ethane. Chloride may be produced by the addition of the HCl and HCl. Commercial method. Chloride monomer is prepared by cracking 1 by 2 dichloride ethane. Polymerization. Suspension polymerization, emulsion polymerization. Suspension polymerization. About 85% of world PVC production or the suspension polymerization. The polymerization developed the techniques in 1935. Chloride is dissipated in water with stream. Soluble organic are used as indicators. Productive such as the ether or added to the prevent and monomer drops from the cool. After the polymerization reaction, unreacted chloride is removed and is passed to monomer recovery pad. The polymer is then satisfied to remove free water and resulting wet polymerization. The system consists of a monomer water consisting on water soluble indicator. In presence of the aggregation of the charge in the reactive disperse the monomer into very fine drops. Structure property relation. PVC is the polar in nature due to presence of C minus Cl dipole. Presence to non-polar solvents, uh, flame, flame and self. Presence and chloride atom causes an increases in interchain attraction and increase hardness and satisfies of polymer. Names value unit specific gravity, MPa, hardness, glass transfer temperature, dielectric strength. Structure property relationship. PVC is a polar in nature due to presence of CCl. PVC is a dilute solution. PVC is a heat sensitive material and therefore interested of melt flow index K value is calculated. The K value of PVC of processing life between 55 and 60. Higher K value lead to better mechanical and electrical properties of the mountain materials and the cost of decreasing processability. Optimum result can be achieved in each type of processing using product of suitable K value. Dilute solution. The value of K is calculated by the relationship log 10 equals to K square into K into 10 minus 3 CKC and relative relative concentration in a from K value 1 will one will know the grade of PVC. Material K value indicates modeling extension process, uh, additive and compounding. The APVC compound may be contain the following ingredients: uh, polymers, uh, polymers processing acid, filters, pigments. Some other materials include flame, optical bleaching, and boiling agents. Heating of PVC at temperature above 70 degrees Celsius has a number of adverse effect on the properties of the properties of the may be degraded may takes place during standard processing operations, making the product useless. Therefore, the degradations are found useful. The compound of CD, BA, CA, and Zn or bromated of PVC stability. Thank you.